Welcome to Strum Rock School. If you have your ukulele with you, you're in the right spot. We're going to do a quick little tutorial on how to tune your ukulele step by step. We're going to just break it down because I know you're a beginner and we want to take our time, tune our instrument properly so we can make the best time of our practice. So ukulele, your headstock should look something like this, kind of similar to an acoustic guitar. And so what we're going to do is, let's try that again. So the order of the strings are G, C, E, and A. So starting with the G, which is kind of a high G, the C, which is the third string, E is the second string, and A is the first string. So one of the things you're going to want to make sure that you do when you tune your instrument, if that little needle is kind of tottering to the left, that means your string is too low and you need to tune it up to the middle. If it's tottering to the right, it's too high and you need to tune down. So just make sure that you tune it right. Just take your time. Sometimes it can take a little time to do that. So make sure you have it tuned, because once you start practicing, you're going to notice that it's in tune or out of tune. So have fun. Let's get started on your next lesson.
You have now completed this lesson. Proceed to the next.